Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything is edible.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moss. For those of you who have not subscribed yet, which is a lot of people. Anywho, today what I'm going to be doing for you guys is making you some cake, or baking some cake. I know I've made cake in the previous videos, but this time it's going to be a chocolate cake, so it'll be a little bit different. Stay tuned, see how it goes, and who knows, it might turn out to be good this time, I don't know. But before any of that, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, MosToosifar. Also, follow me on Instagram, again, MosToosifar. And let's get things going. Let me quickly go through what I've got as my setup. You need the bowl, first and foremost. Then, I've got Ferrero Rochers. I have got Nutella. I have got a pint glass, a spoon, I've got 3 eggs, a cup of flour, 3 spoons of yogurt. I've got one of these things to mix it all up with, my baking tray and some baking paper kind of thing. So that's obviously going to go there, that's done. Okay, I'm going to put all of the Ferrero Rochers in the bowl, use the cup to squeeze them or crush them, and then we'll add the other ingredients. So this is the long part. Yeah. And the last one, guys, we're finally there. This is the last one to open and drop in. That took a long time. So what you want to do, get your glass. I didn't have anything better to find. I didn't have anything else in the house to find. So this will do. Clean bottom of the glass. Simply just crush it. We're almost there. And I'm just going to use that. I like to be extra and get every little bit in there. So I don't want anything to go to waste. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? That's done. Now, the fun part. Nutella. I will probably need, sorry, I'm picky. I'm probably going to use 3/4 of it, if not all of it. This is 400 grams. You're supposed to put 2 cups in. I wasn't going to take out from this, pour it into a cup. No. So, hence why you need your spoon. And just dig it out. This is very chocolatey, it's going to be. Tomorrow you eat this and tomorrow you wake up with spots all over your face, all over your body. Let me get as much as I can. Okay, that's done. That's finished. I think this is going to be a good cake, guys. For those of you who watch these and, you know, you're on a diet or something, I apologize. I can't do anything about it. What I'm going to do, give it a quick mix, okay? Not even a lot. Just to go like that, okay? Quite simply so. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. Let it melt, then it'll be easier to mix as well. So I'll see you in 2 to 3 minutes. So this goes in the oven for about sorry, not in the oven, in the microwave for about 2 minutes, 2 to 2.5 minutes. It's relatively my god, sorry. It's melted quite decently. It's enough, so it's pretty good, and it smells amazing, guys. Nutella and Ferrero Rocher. Woo. By the way, none of this is sponsored, so these companies, if you could like kind of, you know, look after your boy or something, like sponsor me. 3 eggs, guys. Just try your best not to put the shells in because that one is not going to be good. Okay. 3 eggs in your hands. Right. As you can see, no other sugar or anything like that is going in there. It's just the only sugar that's there is the chocolate itself. Stir it up, mix it. Just hope the baking tray that I've got is big enough, or not all of it's going to get cooked basically. Anyway, right, that goes on. Okay. Smells lovely, guys. Honestly, I just want to get a spoon and just munch on it right now. So, a cup of flour. And don't mix it all around. Just, oh my God, go around in a circle. Don't. Yeah, as you can see, just like that. Now, I'm going to add the 3 cups, or 3 spoons rather, of yogurt. Now, just like last time, everyone's like, yogurt in cake? Why are you going to put yogurt in cake? This makes the cake come out spongy and not like hard or dry or anything. It makes it nice and spongy basically. That's it. Only 3 cups though, no more. Give it a final mix. Wow. Now I can't wait for this to go into the oven. The whole house is going to smell nice. Okay, that helped to loosen it up a little bit. Okay. Now, time to. Oh, the middle's still not going on. What's going on? Give it a proper mix, guys. Okay. Gonna leave it as that. Now, there's your tray. I'll tell you what, I'm just gonna leave it like that, sink it in, and it'll do it by itself, hopefully. Let's go. Look at that. That looks, smells amazing, guys. You have no idea. And it's not even cooked yet. Or baked. Let me just try and sort this out. Don't want it to spill out. Okay. Just push on the corners, like flatten it out. Okay, what I'm going to do, I've already got my oven on. It's on preheat already, 170 degrees, 170 to 200 is between that. And I'm going to put this in the oven for 25 minutes to 25 to 30 minutes. Keep an eye on it, see how it goes, and we'll be back shortly. So it's been a while, it's been about half an hour, 25 minutes. I took out the oven, let it cool down, and let me quickly bring up the camera and show you guys. That's what it looks like. Okay, so what I'm going to do is cut up into pieces, take one out and see how it tastes. Go for a taste, really. Just make sure it's done. Let's see. I hope it's sweet enough. because as you already saw, I didn't put any sugar or nothing in there. And I kind of like my cakes sweet, but let's see. Smells good though. Smells good. Let's see what the taste is gonna be like. Okay. Let's give it a go. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let me come in front of the camera and show you guys. It's not as spongy as the other one. It's a little bit more, I suppose here is soft. Do you know what it is? It's hard at the top, but soft in the inside, so that's good. Let me give it a cut. A smaller one as well. Let's go for a taste. Yeah, it's soft. It's hard at the top, soft at the middle and the bottom. Still hot. It does taste nice, but in my personal opinion, if I put more sugar in there to make it sweet, it would have been nice. Otherwise, it's not too chocolatey, it's not plain, it's nice. I just wish it was more sweet. That's it. Guys, since I tasted the cake and it wasn't sweet enough to my level or standard or whatever, what I done is I made some syrup. Basically get a half a cup of sugar, pour it in there, add just under half a cup of water onto it, bring it to a boil, cut it off, take it off. Now it's like a syrupy kind of thing. What I'm going to do, I've got lime juice. I'm just going to add some to it, just the same amount of the lid. Just pour it in there, that's it. And then give it a mix it up. Like so. Okay. It's still a little bit hot. Okay, I burnt myself, it's hot. Right, what you want to do? Just get it and pour it on the cake. Pour your syrup on the cake. Let it soak it all up, let it absorb it. And we'll taste it again in a couple of minutes once it's been absorbed. Yeah. Get on the corners, in between the cuts that I've made. That should do it really. Okay. That's it. Let it sink in there for about another 5 minutes and it will come give another taste, see how it is. Okay, so as you saw earlier, I poured in the syrup on top, left it to sit for about 10 minutes, I would say 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Now I'm hoping the syrup has gone within the cake, like it absorbed it and it's, you know, mixed and hopefully it's gonna taste sweeter. But I can see in the top some bits are shiny, some bits are not. So you'll see where the syrup has gone and where it hasn't. But yeah. Let me bring that and show you guys. I'm still gonna use the same old thing. See what I mean when I say? Well, you probably can't see it, but you can see this bit's more juicy and this bit's dry. Syrup's gone there and not there. So let's just cut that. And have a taste, see how it is. Let me come down here so you guys can see me too. It's a lot better, guys. Yeah, definitely. So that's a quick trick for you guys. If you make a cake, sorry, I'm moving there, trying to get the height adjustment. If you don't make your cakes sweet enough, all you gotta do, pan, half a cup of sugar, put some water in there, bring it to a boil, add some lemonade to it, pour it on top of the cake, let it set, done. As the sugar tastes good, goes in between the cake. You just got to be more careful. Unlike me, I just kind of rushed it towards the end. Otherwise, does the job. See you next time, guys.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come